Hi everybody, I just wanted to do a really quick video to walk you through OneNote. So we had the Professional Learning Day on Monday where I introduced this OneNote to you all. We had some teething issues in the morning, but I have had a couple of questions, so I thought I would just show you the basic layout and how this works. So OneNote is part of the Office 365 suite, which means that this toolbar at the top should be quite familiar because it's very similar to that of Word, Excel, etc. And this here is our Digital Learning OneNote. So once you have gone to the online version of this and you've said open in OneNote, you should see it lined up along here. So you can see this one sitting here called Digital Learning. You can also move these bars if you want to see more. If you don't see it, just click on the More Notebooks and you'll be able to see it tucked in here. So once you've opened it and you make your way through, I've made little sections here for each of the different topics in digital learning. So each of these operates like a tab in a binder or a notebook, and it's essentially a different section that contains a range of pages. So this section here is for Apple Teacher, and you can see as I've clicked here, we've lost that menu, which is good because you want more real estate in this area. So Apple Teacher, we've got some information here, how to become an Apple Teacher. You can see there's a video embedded, there are some web links, different pages for different things. We've then got information for Apple Classroom, each of the badge guides that we've had the last few years. And you can see all I'm doing is going through the section, so opening up a different tab in the notebook and then exploring the different pages in that tab. So again, we've got some more for flipped learning. All our Innovation Studio information is in here as well. We've got tutorials for how to download and use Screencast-O-Matic, and each of these go along here. At this stage, these two here are password protected just because they're a work in progress. So it was an area that I've just kept locked for now until we can finish it and release it. And also please be aware that some of you have editing rights to this OneNote, but please don't delete or change anything because like a Google Doc, this entire area for you is collaborative, and so any changes you make, other people can see as well. So again, just to recap, we've got all your different notebooks. At this stage, you've probably just got this one. You've got all the different sections which operate like tabs in a binder, and then you've got all the different pages that sit within that notebook as well. And then over on here on the right, I forgot to mention before, this is essentially the page, but if I zoom out here, you can see that it operates like a giant white blank canvas, and you can actually add, insert, draw anything in here as well. But I won't talk about that now because you don't need it for this notebook. So I hope you found this helpful. See you everybody.